What is up, boys? CryptoLimo back again with another daily upload, and bears have been crying. In my previous upload, I did mention that Bitcoin was gonna pump from this range, and indeed it did pump. It did pump a lot, and we've given this trade in our Discord as well. I told you this video, and I've written here as well. It explained exactly as explained in this video, so you can check that out as well. If you want to become a member of the Discord community, it will be the first link in the description. Come on with us and trade with us and make some money. So first of all, we're gonna go into our daily Bitcoin analysis video, and the main thing that we see on this daily chart here right now is gonna be, as you can see, Bitcoin pound from here. It is a very strong current. Four green candles, two red, and then another very green. I see this going up to 72 at the top of the range. It is a very strong bullish move, so that is going to be the daily. If you're a bear and you're shorting Bitcoin, you should be beware. You're gonna lose everything if you keep shorting. I do not recommend that in my initial analysis. So that is gonna be the main sort of analysis that we're bullish. Now, how are we gonna trade this essentially? So we're gonna take this to the 4 hourly time frame, and as the chart changes, I'm going to let you know what kind of trades that you're going to take. It has been following this trend line. It has gone substantially up. So as you can see, Bitcoin went down from here, we entered around here, and then it shot up again to this resistance zone. It got rejected, and now if it takes this support region and turns this resistance region into a support region, it's gonna go up to 72. 72 is inbound for Bitcoin. If it does, it is a very bullish momentum for Bitcoin. I recommend trading this as well. This is very easier to trade on the smaller time frames and on the larger time frames as well. All you need to know is know when to trade this and how to trade this essentially. And as you can see in the fibs as well, we're gonna load the fibs on the 4 hourly. Yeah, it just broke past this fib level as well, which is very strong confluence for us to know. As you can see, it broke away from here and went up. It's gonna retest this, and I expect it to go something like this. And this is how BTC is going to go. This is a very strong current for BTC at this point, and I am impressed how bullish it is. You all should take bullish stances on Bitcoin as well. I recommend taking that. So that is what the Fibonacci chart tells us. It took support around here. Yeah, so it is being respected actually. So this is what we see from the Fibonacci. And now let's move on and add some confluence from the USDT dominance. So as you all know, USDT dominance works inversely to Bitcoin. It is retesting this trend line as well. This is the daily trend line for the USDT dominance as well. The USDT dominance is testing. If it pumps from here, BTC can see a massive rejection. If it does something like this, BTC will reject from that and it will dump a lot. That is the only dumping scenario here. But what I see it doing is it's gonna retest here, and then it is gonna go down, and then it's gonna go down like this. If it does go down, it's gonna trigger the biggest bull market you all have ever seen. I recommend buying some spot of some really good coins as well. They're going to be very good in the upcoming time as well. I recommend doing that. If you look at the liquidity mapping of Bitcoin, as you can see, there is liquidity up here. I don't think it is going to tag. It might tag the 66,000 for a better entry. Yeah, 66,000 can be tagged, and then it is going to tag all of these liquidities that are present here, and these one especially, these are very strong liquidity. I see them being tapped and more liquidations being triggered as well. Now let's just talk about some alts. My go-to is going to be ETH, because ETH essentially displays what all other alts are doing. On the 4 hourly, there is some kind of resistance along here as well, but yeah, I don't see it getting rejected. It is a very small resistance zone that is present over here. I see ETH pumping as well, going into this zone. It can reject from this zone, but I see it going all the way up till 3900. You could have longed from this. I don't recommend longing right now, but if in longs, you should hold your longs, and I recommend taking profit anywhere from 3600 all the way to 3700. That is a good region to take your profits as well. And then I recommend the 38 to 3900 zone as well for ETH. I see ETH pumping as well, and I see Bitcoin dominance going down and us having another alt rally. So I wouldn't recommend you being a bear right now. Being a bear is a very stupid option right now. Yeah, dominance is going to come down as well. It got rejected from the resistance right here. So that is kind of the weekend update for BTC. If you're watching this, consider subscribing. I post daily uploads with this as well. If you're in the US, because I've seen a lot of my audiences from the US. If you're from the US and you want an exchange that trades crypto and has the lowest fees on the market, I recommend using VX. It will be the second link in the description below, and also signing up to my link offers you all of my trade in the Discord. If you're signing up with my link, do consider joining my Discord site. You can take all of my trades and make money for us. I run challenges as well. I make a lot of profit on these challenges. So if you want to run and see that, you're gonna have to sign up with this. Or if you want another exchange to trade our forex challenges or the gold markets and the equities and all of that, if you want to trade that, you can check out BingeX as well. This is a very good exchange. Also has no KYC. Both of these exchanges have no KYC, and they offer the best fees in the market, and they are best to trade upon for any user out there. This is not for the US client. If you're from the US, you have to use VX. So that is going to be all for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.